Hello guys, welcome back in this new tutorial where I will teach you how you can easily manage an authentication system using React and the Context API. In one of the last videos that will appear on top of this one, you will find a video where we build the API using Laravel 9. So let's just make a turn to show you what you are gonna to build. It's just something very simple. We will use Laravel 9 as API. And for authentication, I've already registered some user. Let's say register another user. Let's say here is johndoe@gmail.com, and let's send this request to the back end. And with this, we get these users added in our database. And this is the password that we provide. Okay. Now on React part, if we want to log this user, we need to provide the information such as the email and the password. So let's give the email. The email was johndoe, and here it was gmail.com. And for the password is 126. And let's say I will put a wrong password. When I put a wrong password, I have this alert box that appear which say credentials are not valid. And that is, if I provide some false information, it says that credentials are not valid because on our backend call it don't recognize this email and the password is false. And if we fill only the email or only the password and we try to send the request to the backend, we have this alert that's appear. It says please fill the form, and this alert is a front-end library that is React Toastify to show beautiful alert like this one. There are many one for success, many others, one for warning and one for error. You will learn how you can put this kind of alert in your React project. Okay, now let's say you want to provide with good information. And now let's click on login. Now that the information are good, we are being redirected on the user's profile page. But if you want to go back on the login page, because we are already logged, we can't go back to the login page. We are automatically redirected to this profile page, because when you are logging, you don't need to log in one more time again. And for another thing, we have this logout button that will help you, that will let the user to log out to his or her account. And if you click on logout, you will be automatically redirected to a login page. And if we are now on the login page and we want to go to a profile page, we will be redirected to the login page because we are not authenticated. Is this thing that you will learn in this crash course.